Nairobi ochako ayanga ng'anyo margi ka giywago deko mar tend county no moserem godo keto tim mogo kuom dwachgi kanotelnigi jatendgi Stephen Mudhama. Jochiw thieth gono ramo ni ok gibidok e tich nyaka chieng' winji ywakgi mogo kuom dwachgi mapek oting'o dwaro mar keto e tim lai ma tich mane olos gi migawo masomo mokalo ma giyango ni nyaka sani pok oketie tim. Jochiw thieth go bende dwaro mondo jochiw thieth wetegi 5 mosedek ndiki tich ondiki tich mapiyo. Bende giywago rem mosebedo medo gi lemo kaachiel gi ndiko jowetegi man gi lony e tije.
We are here today because of the injustice that clinical officers have faced in Nairobi. We have 3 major issues that we are presenting to our employer. It is notable to note that we have negotiated, we have discussed, we have had meetings, but nothing is forthcoming. Every time we go into meetings, there is nothing that comes out of that meeting. Number 1, top of the agenda is we have 5 colleagues, 5 clinical officers that were appointed last year, April 18th. They have appointment letter. They were appointed alongside amongst some of us here, and they have never been posted 1 year down the line. 2 is what we call career guideline and progression. This is a policy document that dictates employment, progression, recruitment, and the career path and development for clinical officers. This guideline was done last year, May, by the Public Service Commission in consultation with all stakeholders.